Hello everyone, and today I am here for, I hope, quick repair for this multi-tool, and it's just working intermittent. And the owner of this one told the tool is working intermittent, so we need to check the battery terminal and the wiring. I need to unscrew this one. Finally, I have started to get the screw out, because I think I have bended it and I will be needed to replace it. Still, it gets really hard out. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, I don't know. If you know, tell me. Okay, have the spring. Okay, now if it works intermittent, we need to find why. So basically, it can be some damage on the wires, or it can be the problem of the battery terminal. Now everything looks good. It can be the problem of the switch, because as you can see it's really dusty. Outside of it, of course, probably, and inside of it what I have here, I have the two small screws. Basically, I think I will remove the LED light here. And now I can try the tool. Yeah, we hold the motor. Okay. It can be that it have the bad contact somewhere in the electric side, but first I need to clean it. We have small damage of the wire here. Try to focus it here on the white wire. And okay, I need to separate the aluminum housing from the motor, and maybe then I will be able to see the motor was good or not. Okay, got everything out. You can check the bearings, they are good. Now we can try to test the motor by slowly pressing the switch. Yep, and it's starting to jump when the switch is pressed a little bit, so I suspect that it's a problem of the switch, so I need to deassemble it a little bit, clean it, and probably it will be good. I have sprayed the motor with a contact cleaner, and I think now try to open it. Let's see, one over here, another one here. Disconnect the LED for now. It's pretty the same as the grill switch, I think, and I hope. Okay, have to open it, and we have some grease here, and I have not noticed it when the camera was shut it off because the battery ran out. Now I have the adapter for the battery to get the camera connected always to the net, power net. Okay, so I have cleaned it, I have opened the switch and tested the motor works good. Now I need to assemble it. Okay, I have it. As you can remember, it was 2 screws here. I need to release the one end of the plate a little bit, catch the second screw, now you can tighten it. Of course, not forgetting about the second screw. I have cleaned the housing a little bit. Now we need to manage the LED cable to be in place. Got the motor in the wrong direction, I think. Yep. Just making sure that everything fits in a place as good. And yep, I almost forgot the motor wiring. It's a hook for the motor wires. Yeah, we need to connect put our terminal so it will connect. Everything starts to look better now. Of course, we have the button, we have the switch, and we can check if the switch was like that. Yeah, it was pressing down. Terminal. I hope I got everything right here. Try to close it. Yep, it closes. I have, yeah, the switch is locked. It's unlocked. I can press it. That's good. So now I will put the screws here. I have all the screws here. One screw I don't have, it's this screw from the holder of the blade, because it's bended and I will need to replace it. But of course we can test the tool if it still works intermittent or not. No, it works good. Okay, so the intermittent fault is gone. All we need is to glue the sticker here, and of course we need to get the screw for this one. So I will try to find a replacement screw, but I think I will not make video about that, because just putting the screw in and tightening the nut. So for now you can see it was an easy repair by cleaning the switch. Thank you for watching, and waiting you in the comment sections with your questions or I don't know, suggestions. For now, just bye.